This is Olivon Investments. You can visit us at our website, olivon.com, where we have some educational videos for you, those of you who want to learn about day trading. I want to take a moment to go over the gap scanner and some of the stocks that were in play today. The top of the gap scanner is IRNT. This sort of price is kind of high float. Didn't like either of that. A couple days ago, they released the second quarter earnings, and you jumped the pre-market, and then it's sort of sold off after that. Didn't really sell off. Didn't really do much throughout the day, and it was not a good looking candle there on the daily. All right, OPAD, they signed a credit agreement, and so a bit of a nightmare there. Tried to trade the open. If you came back, around in here, decided it was going to reclaim VWAP, some people probably made some money there. TMC, I don't like this daily. I don't like the daily chart at all. It doesn't. I don't really know what to make of it. Didn't seem to. This one, can't pre-market, and they just couldn't reclaim VWAP. PMCB, they had some kind of positive study for FDA catalyst. Uh, for those of you who were pre-market when the new news came out, I know it's pretty much like where the world is, and then everybody else, they just kind of pulled the rug out for everyone that tried to trade the open and just sort of sold off most of the day. LKCO, that's on the list. They signed a deal with Microsoft. Sort of the same thing where if you the news knew how to play it, you're in luck. And then well, if you could think, it looks like there was some action here early on here. There's some volatility. Yeah, as you guys when it reclaimed up there made a good move up, and I couldn't quite hold the daily high there. Okay. LPTX, they had a positive data for the let's see. It just this one looks to me like it just pulled back too much before the open. Some of you guys that stuck around after your lunch, you got some action on it. Okay, INDP, some sympathy and momentum. They had a big move yesterday, and still there's some action going on. I don't know, really what to make of it. If it didn't do so much yesterday, I probably wouldn't give it a second glance. I'm really not liking the pre-market chart. LIFE, the chart will come up. They announced an offering at $8 a share, so I don't. The stock still went up. All right, guys, gonna let you do the video here. Okay, LIFE. yeah, so I mean, it held above $8 all day long. So I don't know who it'll. I don't know what it's going to do. Not what I expected. Okay, SPIR, they signed a deal to buy another company on the 14th. Signs deal to buy Earth. So yeah, so jumped up a little bit pre-market. Not really, not too much. Then kind of just sort of hung around the rest of the day. Didn't really want to make. But yeah, this is all of our investments. You're welcome to come to our website. We got a bunch of educational videos you guys can watch. If you click here, over here, we got a small account challenge. And yeah, thank you for staying tuned.